Your body was designed to heal itself even now, but somewhere along the way, something changed. The exhaustion that no amount of sleep fixes, the brain fog that makes you feel a decade older than you are, the weight that won't move no matter what you've tried, the hormones that feel completely off, or the gut that never settles, or the inflammation that's affecting your body and your joints that no one can explain. You've been told this is just aging, or that it's normal, or that you should expect to feel this way. Listen, I'm here to tell you, it's not normal, and your body can heal in an incredible way. You can even reverse the irreversible. You don't have to accept what your doctor told you, that you're gonna live with this condition the rest of your life, or you need to take a pill the rest of your life. You don't have to accept that lie. What's actually happening is happening at a level most doctors never look at: your cells. And in my new book, Heal Your Cells, written alongside my good friend and fellow functional medicine pioneer, Dr. Will Cole, we expose the hidden root behind nearly every chronic disease, every symptom you've been told to manage, and every fear you carry about what your health looks like 10 or 20 years from now. The root cause is this: your cells are sick, so you're sick, or your cells are aging, so you're aging. So if we can go and reverse and heal your cells, your body can heal. And cutting-edge science now confirms something remarkable: that cellular damage is driving your symptoms, accelerating your aging, and quietly stealing your quality of life. But here's the other truth: it can actually be reversed. And here's what you'll discover inside the book: how to know which of your organs is aging faster than the rest, and exactly how to reverse it. The 12 hidden hallmarks of aging that are silently breaking down your cells right now that most people have never heard of even once. You'll also hear about the blood markers that reveal your true biological age, not the number on your birth certificate, and the protocol proven to reverse the clock, helping you feel younger and look younger. The book also walks you through how to rebuild your mitochondria, sharpen your brain, balance your hormones, and reignite your metabolism from the cellular level. I'll walk you through the foods, the herbs, the peptides, and the daily habits that the world's leading longevity experts use to add decades to a healthy life, and why the future of medicine isn't more prescriptions, it's personalized cellular healing. This is not another diet book, and this is not another wellness trend. This is the most important book that I've ever written by far, grounded in cutting-edge science, real patient transformations, and protocols you can start implementing this week. Because every disease begins at the cellular level, and so does every miracle. I believe this book is the answer you've been looking for.